Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar 21 Pilots. Alright, we have more from them coming out here on this channel because they're great. And let's take a look at Downstairs. That's the title of the song. And this one is a little experimental when it comes to performing and so on. So I made this pretty simple when it comes to handling the chords. One string pattern that will work through the entire song here. And yes, we'll come to that first. Let's look at the setup. We have the capo set on first fret, absolute best scenario for us. Let's go over the chords, and I believe we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 chords. All right, so let's start. We have F, okay? So that's a bar chord. It's a bar here on the first fret to push down all strings there with the index finger. Then you need to add third on A, third D, and second G. Then we have C as the second chord, and that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. A minor next, that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And then we have the G. And that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And these 4 chords are the main chords, alright? So this is played mostly in the song, but we have to continue with other chords. We're gonna go into the bridge part later on, D minor. So that will be open D, second G, third B, and first E. We also need to handle the E minor. That will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And then we need to add 3 more chords since the main pattern goes up a little bit higher, in a higher key. So therefore we need to learn the following 3 chords: D, B minor, and A. So D, it's open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have B minor. That's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the second fret. 5 strings is what you need to push down if you count from bottom up like this. Then you need to add fourth on D, fourth G, and third B. And the final, I promise, is the A, and that will be open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. All right. So, like I mentioned before, we have one string pattern. Yes, I'm aware of that. Sometimes it sounds like it's just one down, and it probably is. But to have some sort of consequence here, like we have one simple thing to hold on to when it comes to performing, we will learn this following string pattern. If you grab the first F chord, it goes like this. Okay, total 4 downs. Or 2 downs, clap, and 1 down. It's up to you, but down, down, clap, down. That is 1 round, or 4 downs. Without the clap, you play a down there instead. If you choose to go that route, then you play the down on the higher strings to really emphasize that down. And all of the downs you play on the bass string. So that will be bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass, or somewhere around that tempo. Okay, so let's start with the main 4 chords, main corporation, and you're gonna play this up till about 3 minutes and 3 seconds in. So it's a pretty huge part of the song. You're gonna play F 2 string rounds, C 2, A minor 2, and G 2. That's it. So F, C, A minor, and G. Alright, so that is one chord progression. You just continue that till 3 minutes and 3 seconds in. And at that point comes the bridge part in. Oh, why have I become, and so on. That's where on the lyric. So you're gonna first play the first 2 rounds, D minor, 1 string round, A minor, 1, C1, and G1, okay? You're gonna play it for 2 rounds. Then the next 2 and final rounds, you're going to play D minor 1, A minor 1, C1, and the last chord is E minor 1. So that is the only difference here. So the first 2 rounds, you have the ending of G, and the last 2 rounds you have the ending of E minor. So imagine we play round number 2 and number 3, so we will taste both of these variations. I'm gonna play like this. So that is the bridge part. Then, after you play that, you're gonna jump back into the main part, F, C, A minor, and G, for only 1 round. I mentioned we throw in a couple new chords because the same main pattern here goes up in key. We're gonna go into the G key. So that means after you play this main round and end with G, 2 string rounds, you stay on that G and start the new main pattern, so to speak, and that is to play G2, D2, B minor 2, and A2. So when you play the last F, C, A minor, G2, you stay on the G, so that will be basically G4 there in the new, continuing the new main, D2, B minor 2, A2, like this. Just continue like this till the very end, and that, my friends, is how you handle 21 Pilots Downstairs. Alright, so yep, it's a pretty simple song actually. The challenge here is all the chords, 9 chords I believe we got there. So anyway, simple string pattern, give it a try. Hope to see you soon, guys. Until next time, as always, play tune.